I hope all of you are doing great in your life. Without further delay, let's discuss about how to think in English. It is a main problem if you are beginner. Everyone suggests you that you try to think in English, but it is a very difficult task if you beginner. So how can you start to think in English? So yeah, it is a very difficult task as a beginner, but here I am discuss about some tip. You will follow all tip, so definitely you are able to think English. And second thing is, it is true that if you are not able to think in English, so you are not fluent speaker this language. So how can you start you think English? So first of all, I suggest you that if you are beginner, so start watch English story. Why I am suggest you that you start watch English story? Because English story is short and vocabulary are so easy, and also structure are so easy. When you are watch English story, that time try to imitate and don't watch long video, like watch short story, and after watching that video, after imitating, try to think in your mind, and after that you try to speak your word, like try to make story your mind or try to speak loud. Yeah, first day when you do, you are not able to doing, like you are not emails yourself this story, you are not able to describe that story your own language, because you don't have more content in English. So you are doing like 10 days. When you doing consistency 10 days, you feel that you have improved, you have built some structure in your mind, you have built some vocab in your mind. And also when you think anything, so that time you are able to think in English, because now that time you have English content, like English paragraph in your mind. So when you try to speak, your mind direct command you. So that's why as a beginner you listen only on 5 and 10-minute English story, and after listening this story, try to speak loud. And second thing is that every day try to read like a little paragraph. If you are try to read little paragraph, so you also consume some English content. And what are you doing all day? Try to think in English. Like if you are making food, you take care of your kid and washing clothes, and what are you doing whole day, try to think in English, because now it is easy, because you are listen English content. After listening English content, you don't know that you build some structure in your mind. It is like natural process, you don't know. But when you try to think English, so you feel that you are able. But third is consistency is a matter. When you are consistent, then you can feel some improvement yourself. One time you are build this habit, so you are able to think in English. Yeah, it is a long journey, because it is a language. You know your native language, but now you are learn every day new thing. So don't hurry up, and try and keep learning and keep smiling, because if you are enjoying something, then it is easy for you learning new things. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe. Bye bye, take care, keep smiling, keep learning.